What's going on, my sticky friends? If you've picked up an iCharger DX8, this video will explain how to slap a wrap on it. But before you wrap your charger, do yourself a favor and use some kind of an alcohol wipe to remove any dirt or oil off the surface. Otherwise, your decals are going to stick like... no, they're just not going to stick. So diving in, if you look close in the reflection of the wrap here, you can see all the buttonholes. The screen, the ports on the back panel, they're all pre-cut for you, so each panel is a simple peel and stick. You just have to get an edge or a corner lifted up, and then you can peel each panel off the backing paper one at a time. We'll get started by doing the top cover first. Just get the buttons and the main center dial lined up with the holes and lightly lay it on the face of the charger. You don't want to push down too hard until you're satisfied with where it's sitting. And then you can go over it with more pressure to get it really stuck down. The vinyl has air release, so it should let you push any bubbles or creases right out. If you miss on the first try, peel it back off without pulling too hard. That'll keep it from stretching, and then you just try again. Moving on to the back panel, try to get the center power plug lined up and then rotate until the fan ports on the sides are centered over the holes. You just use some light pressure to get it stuck in place, and then you can use firmer pressure all around to get it stuck down really good. And the wrap kit does include the center hole, or I would say the donut holes, for the fans. You can't forget about donuts. Who could forget about donuts? The side panels are pretty straightforward as well. They're just rectangles. So line up the top edge with the charger and use firm pressure from top to bottom, side to side. And on the opposite side, just rinse and repeat. The last panel left is the little thin section across the front lip. It just goes right across the top of all of the ports. Just line up the top edge with the charger. You can kind of check your spacing on the sides and the corners. Just go from the center out and then down the sides of the corners, and you're good to go. And that'll wrap it up for this how-to. We plan to do more videos like this so we can help people understand how to wrap their RC toys. So be sure to subscribe, and if you jingle my little bell down there, YouTube will send you a notification the next time we post a video. So until next time, happy wrapping, and behave yourselves. Or don't.